Hi, it's Dr. Raj, and I am here to show you how to do your Corona-19 at-home test. This is the kit that we are currently selling on soulfocus.com for both individuals, small businesses, and corporations. Inside is everything that you will need to take this test. There are two things in here. One is the actual kit that has everything necessary in order for you to perform the test. And there's also a paper in there, and that paper gives you step-by-step instructions on how to do the test yourself. And then on the flip side, it tells you how to interpret the readings. So let me first show you everything that comes in the packet. This is your test kit, which we will open up in a moment. There is a bandage. There's some gauze to wipe off the blood after you prick yourself. There's an alcohol pad to use before you prick yourself to sanitize your finger. There is the lancet, which is used to create the prick. There is buffer that you will put into the kit after you put the droplet of blood. And there is the pipette used to get the blood droplet into the kit. So let's go ahead and begin the test. So first and foremost, I took out the bandage and I opened it up and prepared it to be put onto my finger, which you don't want to do after you are already bleeding. I have my lancet. You're going to remove the plastic top to that lancet. I'm taking out the alcohol swab. I'm going to just swab the tip of my index finger with the alcohol. I'm going to take the lancet and I'll put the narrower side of the lancet down. Just place it on your finger, push down, and you'll hear it and feel it. And there is the pinprick of blood. Now, it will take a moment before that blood starts to develop into a droplet that you are able to use. You want a good sample of blood, so you may want to wait a moment until it pools and forms enough blood on the tip of your finger like that. I'm now squeezing a little bit. I want to make sure that I got a good amount of blood to get into the pipette and onto the kit. So I'm squeezing. Patience here is okay to make sure that you get enough blood. Squeezing around the areas where the prick had been made will help to form more and more blood. I'm now going to get the pipette and the kit ready, and I'm simply going to squeeze the pipette first, put it on top of the droplet of blood, and let go. And you can see that the blood has gone into the pipette. I'm now going to go to the kit and put it into the S that you see there. So the blood has gone into the hole. I'm going to put the pipette on the side. I'm now going to take this buffer, which I've taken off the top, and there's some liquid in here, and I'm going to add 2 drops right over the blood. That's 1. And then there is 2. Okay, so now I'm going to take the little bit of gauze. I'm going to wipe off whatever excess blood that I have on my finger. I'm going to put the Band-Aid on so I don't continue to bleed. And I'm going to wait. See, I have my blood in the little hole that says S where the serum goes, and now I'm going to wait. What you're going to see if this is a valid test, is you're going to see the C, the line at the C come up. That means that the test was completed properly. And then I'm just going to set it down and I'm going to wait for 10 to 15 minutes to see if any other lines appear. Should they appear, all you need to do is look at the back of the sheet included, and you will be able to interpret what those lines mean. You have 3 lines. The first line is labeled C, as in cat. The other 2 lines, one is IgG and one is IgM. If either of those other 2 lines, the IgG or IgM, should become visible, then that is a positive for IgG or IgM. If you have both, if you have one, or if you have none, all the answers or what it means and how to interpret the test are listed on the back. Again, this test is going to tell you whether you have currently COVID-19, had COVID-19, and will also tell you if you have built up the antibodies to it, which would be the best result, meaning that you had it, you got over it, and you built up antibodies. These tests are in high demand. You could locate them in our shop on our website at www.soulfocus.com to order yours. This has been Raj Gupta, Dr. Raj Gupta, teaching you how to do your at-home Corona-19 test. Happy testing.